Today is 25th of September 2020 and this is Gyldénintie. Gyldénintie 6A in Lauttasaari groups, Helsinki, Finland. This is the first staircase we have gotten inside today in this residential building. It's got 4 staircases. We'll get into the other ones later, hopefully.
Yeah.
And here it's in Swedish and Finnish. It's a tiny one also, 2 persons, 160 rooms. Great that you are buying a doors to have this apartment, so it's easier for you. And it was built in 1956, turning 65 years next year, 2021. And now the serial number is H6633 and it's going to be inspected in 2022. And this one has the floors P and then 2, 3 and 4, no floor 1.
Yeah.
It's P instead of 1 here. For the ground floor pohjakerros. I haven't seen it that often that they have it P and then 2, but sometimes.
Yeah.
It is quite rare to have it like that. But
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a gap between them because there is no floor 1. Or it doesn't just stop there. It's an empty floor.
Yeah.
That's why it doesn't stop there. Let me have a look at the call button. I love these white call buttons.
Yeah, same here.
Yes. And then also the front metal plate is here.
Yeah.
Original one. The elevator is still completely original.
Yeah.
We were going for the with mechanical floor indicator later, we got there, but we saw this.
Yeah.
And it was all open. I told you we should try this, and yes, I was right.
Yeah.
I told you so. Do you think we can take another ride?
Yeah.
Okay, then you press. You can press if you like. I think this one was changed in the 1970s.
Yeah.
It's not original.
Yeah.
The original, we know what it looks like. It's the same style as that one. Or
Yeah.
metal plate. I think maybe they changed it just to make it more visible.
Yeah.
But also, for some reason, it's only in Finnish.
Yeah.
I think the old one was in both Swedish and Finnish.
Yeah.
Not a good one, actually.
Yeah.
You should have put one in both languages in the 1970s.
Yeah.
Weird. But at least outside it's still in both languages.
Yeah.
Just as it should be. In the both official languages.
Yeah.
Alright, we're back on the ground floor. I like this sold sign.
Same here.
Thank you very much for watching, and that's it.